Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. One of the most popular databases in the world is MySQL. In this video we're going to take a look at how to set up a MySQL database on Amazon RDS. Let's go ahead and look at the details. Amazon RDS provides a managed, scalable, and secure platform for MySQL database. It automates tasks like backups, scaling, and patching. This guide covers the steps to set up a MySQL database on Amazon RDS, including configuration and connection. To begin, sign into your AWS Management Console. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for one. Log into your AWS account, search for RDS, and click on the Amazon RDS in the services list. In the Amazon RDS dashboard, click on Create Database to start the setup process. To choose the database engine, first select Standard Create for better control. Next, choose MySQL for its security and performance. Finally, select the latest version of MySQL as recommended by AWS. To set up your database instance, first enter a unique name for your MySQL instance. Next, provide the admin username, which defaults to admin but can be changed. Finally, create and confirm a strong password for the MySQL root user. When configuring instance specifications, select the DB instance class based on your workload. Choose between SSD-based storage types and set the initial storage size, enabling automatic scaling. For setting up availability and durability, enable multi-AZ deployment for high availability. Set your database retention period for daily backups and point-in-time recovery, and enable encryption to protect sensitive data. To configure connectivity for your database deployment, select the appropriate VPC and subnet group. Decide on public access based on your needs and create or select a VPC security group to control inbound traffic, ensuring port 3306 is open for MySQL connections. For additional configuration, provide a database name or use the default. Use the default parameter group unless changes are needed. Enable enhanced monitoring for real-time insights and set metric granularity. Enable log exports to Amazon CloudWatch for better visibility. Review all configuration options and click Create Database if everything looks good. The RDS instance will be provided and be provisioned and launched in a few minutes. Monitor the status on the RDS instances page. To connect to your MySQL database, first get the endpoint from your RDS instance. Then use a MySQL client with the provided command, replacing the placeholders with your instance details. Finally, log into MySQL with your root password and start interacting with your database. RDS handles backups automatically based on your retention period. Additionally, you can manage and create database snapshots whenever needed. Easily scale your MySQL instance by upgrading the instance type or increasing storage capacity without downtime. Use Amazon CloudWatch to monitor database performance and health. Set up alarms and analyze metrics like CPU utilization, disk I/O, and database connections. To ensure security, use AWS IAM for user management and assign specific permissions. Set up SSL for encrypted database connections and enable encryption at rest using AWS KMS. For MySQL on Amazon RDS, enable multi-AZ for high availability. Automate daily backups and secure your instance by disabling public access. Monitor performance using enhanced monitoring and CloudWatch, and scale resources as needed to maintain performance. In summary, setting up a MySQL database on Amazon RDS is straightforward. It offers a fully managed, highly available database with automatic backups, scaling, and built-in security. This allows you to focus on your application rather than infrastructure, making it suitable for both small applications and enterprise-level workloads. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's given you a good start for setting up a MySQL database on Amazon RDS. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.